please support my second channel, Chanting Hearts, by subscribing. Thank you so much for all the warmest love and support in my YouTube career. So today's video, I'm gonna share to you a song which is my favorite song, favorite psalm written by our very own Cebuano priest, highly recognized as one of the best musician in Cebu, Monsignor Rodi Villanueva. So this is my favorite psalm sa iya, and I will be singing this song to you today because this is really worth it for the day. This is a sign of gratitude for all the good things God has given me. Yes, this is it. Pagkamaayo sa Ginoo sa iyang mga katawhan, usa ka matahong katungad-anggo ang paglingkuwas sa Siyon. Napuno kami sa pagmaya. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and warmest support. I have my second channel, Chanting Hearts. Please subscribe. I only need, I guess, 600 plus. Please, to meet the requirement of Lolo. So here I am. Actually, I am making my second channel kasi gusto ko na i-separate yung sa aking Lucky Stain. By the way, we are changing name na. Lucky Stain String na yung sa akin. So, Lucky Stain String. And yung Aloysian Logo naging Chanting Hearts na. So, I'm making this channel kasi itong channel ko na, second channel ko, is gusto ko yung lumi-level up na siya. So, I am trying my best, I am doing my best na talagang gagawin ko ang lahat para mas mapaganda pa, mas presentable pa yung video namin, yung work ko. Na doon ko ilo-load yung mga vlogs ko, yung mga kalokohan ko doon, yung mga lahat-lahat na pwede kong i-vlog sa family ko, sa life ko, kung ano na nangyari sa akin. Doon ko ilo-load lahat-lahat sa Lucky Stain String. Yung Chanting Logo, more on cover songs kami ng Songs of Praise ni Kuya and love songs, our favorite love songs. I-render namin yan. Hopefully, in God's will, by December, makapag-load na ako ng mga love songs. May titingnan na kayo doon at saka yung Songs of Praise. Watch out nyo guys. Songs of Praise and cover songs ang ilo-load namin sa Chanting Hearts. Please visit. That would be as early as December. So, early pamasko namin. Handog namin yan sa inyo na sumusuporta. Shout out Aloysian's family. Shout out mga anak ni Father Al. And the rest of my friends, my students, who always there for me. Sa lahat ng mga hugot ko sa buhay na pinapansin nila, nakakala nilang talagang totoo naman. Ang totoo talaga niyan ay nagpapansin lang ako. Charot. Okay? Please, daan po kayo. Huwag kayong mapagod, huwag kayong malungkot, huwag kayong mainis. Pero natural naman yun pag nainis na kayo, pag na-OA na kayo. Okay? You'll find. If it sounds toxic, you may go na. You may black or you may, grabe naman yung black. Pwede unfriend na lang siguro. Okay, love you guys. This is one of my favorite psalm talaga na ginagawa ni Monsignor Rodi Villanueva. So siya yung gumagawa, by the way, siya yung gumagawa ng mga kansinero natin. Siya yung gumagawa ng mga songs na Santos, Santos, lahat naman kinaantala sa simbahan ng Catholic. Maliban yung sa Narcisa, yung Santos, Santos, ganon. Yung, o kada sa Narcisa yun. Pero the rest is paghaymas na Monsignor Villanueva yan. So credit yan sa kanya. We are very, very much thankful ng mga musician to have a composer like Father Villanueva. To have a composer like Father Villanueva. So this is it. This is my favorite psalm. Aawitin ko to sa inyo ngayon because my heart is overwhelmed. Ano kayo nangyari sa akin? Just a day lang. This is my second life. October 16 is my post-heart surgery anniversary. It's my way back 2007. So I will be celebrating 14 years of having a successful heart surgery. So ito yung scar. Ito yung scar. Kaya sobrang madamdamin ako. Pasensyaan nyo na. Tapos I have 10 bags of blood during operation sa heart ko. Tapos general anesthesia. And then I have 2 kids na cesarean. Ilang bags na, hindi na ako na anuhan ng bag sa awa ng Diyos, ng blood. Okay naman, pero general anesthesia pa rin yun. The dangerous injection in the world, sabi nila. Pero okay lang, habang may buhay, may pag-asa, habang kaya ko pang umawit at mag-render sa inyo ng song, aawitan ko kayo, i-share ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda, kung gaano kagaling si Lord sa akin, despite my transgressions, despite my weaknesses, despite my sin. Kasi sinful talaga tayo, as human as we are fall to sin, pero ang importante is we acknowledge our faults and siya pa rin, na He is merciful and His love is everlasting. So, we cannot level up, we cannot surpass His love because God is love. This is it. Kaysa kaayo. Guys, keep safe and thank you for watching. God bless you.